Good day everyone. Learn how to find downloads folder in any Android phone. So currently I'm using the Samsung Galaxy and I'll tell you the best way to find the downloads folder. So the very first thing, you need to look for any app which says file or my file. You can search in your apps and look for anything which says my files. If you find it, well and good. If you do not, then go to the Play Store and download Files by Google. This is the best app to access, your files. So you can install it and it will look like this, where you can see the downloads, images, audio, document, and it is also free, provided by Google. So I'll tell you how exactly we can check. So I'll use the My Files option here and you will be able to find it. So just allow me a quick moment. Here I'll search file and my files are there. And here I'll find the downloads as well. By any chance, if you want to go to the internal storage, you can simply do a double click. And there as well, you can check the external or internal storage downloads or any folder where you want to access. All right, so this is how you can find it. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.